Our client question of the week is a great one. How can we make a long-term digital marketing plan during the coronavirus outbreak? So you've likely pivoted your business's messaging during this uncertain time. And in fact, most of us are taking a different approach when it comes to our marketing. But avoid focusing only on this unique situation and forgetting the long-term plan. Right now is the time to strengthen the foundation of your online presence and your digital marketing. Really important. So the 2020 Tokyo Olympics were delayed until next year, but the athletes that are going to take home the gold in 2021 aren't on the couch right now, they're training. The brands that are going to come out of this unique time the strongest are continuing to create great content, communicating well with their audience via social media, and they're strengthening their website's SEO. So keep up your digital marketing efforts now and plan to gradually evolve your marketing into a more traditional strategy as the weeks and months progress. Your marketing should be more top of the funnel right now, trying to build positive awareness for your brand. But as time goes on, think lower down the funnel and begin to move back towards a more conversion-centric marketing message. So a good way to begin doing this is to think about the products or the services your organization offers that will be most relevant when a sense of normalcy begins to return. As people start to go back to their normal lives and have more typical schedules, what products or services are they going to be most interested in that you offer? So if you're in the healthcare industry, for example, during COVID-19, few people are looking for elective surgeries, but as things begin to reopen, that's something that may be at the top of people's minds who haven't been able to access those services for months. So identify these products or services that will be of highest relevance as normalcy returns. Then optimize their web pages on your site, bulk up the quality content, perform keyword research to make the SEO stronger, begin writing blog article content that provides valuable answers your audience might ask about these products or services. Then, as your target audience's life begins to go more normal, consider beginning tactics like Google Ads, social media promotions, etc. So all this will allow you to come out of the gates much stronger as society reopens and as people begin to have more interest in your products or services. So those are a few of our thoughts. Reach out to us if you have questions, and we wish your marketing and your organization the very best during this time.